Let's welcome our 60L60 Rotary Test Handler to the 60L Handlers family. 60L60 has been designed according to the 60L philosophy, following the concepts of flexibility, modularity, and scalability, with the aim of improving production efficiency as well as increasing production capacity while reducing costs. It has the capacity to handle 5 test positions, plus a loading and unloading position. Different test types can be integrated, such as in-circuit, functional, flashing, or HiPot test in DUT versions, both at PCBA and assembled product levels. Each device has its own mass interconnect receiver to handle the fixtures exchange in a fast and easy way, and thus reducing production setup times to the maximum. Additionally, it allows the RF fixtures integration to test DUTs with wireless technologies such as GNSS, GPS, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth, which are increasingly present in current electronic products. 60L60 captures data from multiple sources in one platform and offers a real-time overview in customized dashboards. It is able to provide production and supply chain with data-driven feedback and is efficient at spotting trends, predicting issues, and taking action. Having optimal visibility in operations and driving process and product improvements over time are the goals of manufacturing engineers. And 60L Rotary Test Handler can help in this process.